You know what time it is. I'll cut to when we're on the way.
MEGACOMP.
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 $5 gum.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop!
MEGACOMP.
MEGACOMP. MEGACOMP. I don't know what song feels appropriate for what we're about to do.
What song feels appropriate for what we're about to do?
The Search by NF. Do you know why?
We're searching for a soul. Name is the same as his.
We're searching for the nerds.
What?
We're
A few moments later.
It's The Search. We're on the search for the nerds.
Oh, the search.
We're here. We're about to go in. We needed to find a spot where you could sit down and figure out what's going on. I got my card, and I am in first round, and I'm judging second round. I'm in third round of 2x2, judging fourth round. We just walked across the whole thing. It only took like 5 minutes. This comp is massive. Not 5 minutes, but at least 3. Got to be at least 3 minutes.
3 seconds, maybe? 30 seconds.
There is a lot of people here. A few people that I know, they haven't spotted me yet, but I'm sure when they do spot me, it will be very clear.
You average 11?
Yes.
You're fast.
Yes.
Yes.
What you averaged? Still 13 or 12?
13.
Good job.
Thank you.
I switched my main. You want to try?
What are you using?
Super Earth Rainbow card.
Let's do it.
Round 1. Well, that was mildly surprising. Let's see what I can get on these next ones. Hopefully they're just as good. I don't know what happened. I screwed up those M moves there. My fingers uninstalled. They disconnected. That was super strange. Alright, so maybe it wasn't better. I'm kind of nervous now.
Yeah, 16.
Another 16 average
16.21.
first round, which is really annoying because I always get 16s first round. It's not good. But they're taking 144 people to next round, and a lot of these guys are averaging like 30 seconds to 24. So I think I'm in the clear. I don't really have to worry too much, but you know, cross your fingers, hope for the best. I'm about to start practicing 2x2. I'm not very good at 2x2. It's just a for fun event, just so I can be here longer and participate a little bit more.
Look, 2x2 win.
Oh yeah, that kid that you guys keep seeing at every comp, he just got a 10 average, and he got a 9-second solve on red, and he's not even color neutral. It was like, how in the world? He's been standing up for every solve. It's hilarious. It's lunch break. 2x2 starts after lunch, and we are going to In-N-Out. No, we're not. We're not going to In-N-Out. We're going to Chick-fil-A. I got the names mixed up. It is so bright out here, but it feels nice. It's so hot in that room. 200 and how many? 281 people in one room. It gets a little toasty, so it's like 30 degrees, but it feels nice. So, yeah. Hey, Mom.
Hey, what?
What did the goat say to the chicken?
Bok, bok.
Bah.
DNF.
What's the goal for 2x2?
Sub 5.
Sub 5. Have I ever gotten a sub 5 average? Maybe like 6 times. I don't practice 2x2 ever, so I will be mind blown if I get a sub 5 average, but I still think it would be absolutely hilarious. I'm just gonna kind of mess around and enjoy the event because I don't care about 2x2. You just gotta learn how to learn you gotta learn how to turn a cube that doesn't have center moves. Once you can do that, you just spam turns and then it's fast times. It's just luck-based fun event to mess around with. 2x2 is just so amusing for me. Like, I'm not even good, but I get decent times. It's hilarious. I don't understand how I'm getting these times. I do not practice 2x2 ever. I just messed up the easiest move of my life and threw the solve. All I had to do was this, and then F2, and then this. And it would have been an amazing solve. But no, I gotta add in an extra F move by accident. This way I get a 10. I did that intentionally, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. I have no words. I'm just... so close. I haven't done the math yet, but I think that could be a 12 average. I gotta cross my fingers. It's gonna be really, really close. It'd be my first 12 average in comp, and it would technically be a PR for me, which is outstanding. You ready for the world record? That was not the world record, but it'll do. Ready for the world record?
All right, let's see it, man. Let's see it. I believe in you. Believe in you.
Here comes the world record.
Right here.
That is not the world record. So we stayed to the final just to watch the competition. I was actually pretty close to making that final. I mean, like 16 people off. That's pretty close. A couple seconds away. And I almost made that 2x2 final. I was pretty close, and I was just messing around the whole time in 2x2. So I'm surprised with the results. Those were my results. Those are my scores. I'm ready for the next one. I'm gonna try and get I would like a 12 average at highest, a 12 average next comp, and I really don't want a 16 average the first round. I don't know why I get those every single time, but you know, it's whatever. I make second round anyways. So yeah, it's the warm up, even though I warmed up for 2 hours on the way, but whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Latest.